Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to move Steam games to another hard drive on another computer. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course simply connect your hard drive to your PC, and after that just simply go ahead and go to your library over here. And now from here, just simply select the game that you want to move and simply right click on it. And from here, just simply go for properties on the drop down. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to installed files over here. And now from here, you will have multiple options. You can back up game files, move install folder, or verify integrity of game files. So just simply click on move install folder, and from here guys, when you click on this, you should be able to see a drop down and you should be able to see all of the list of your hard drive or your drive. So from here, just simply select a drive, and since I only have one drive available, is this one, I can just simply select that one and click on move, and from there you should be able to move it to your hard drive. Now guys, when you are on the other computer, just simply go ahead and go to the Steam over here on the top, and on the top left, and go to settings, and from here just simply go to storage, and after that just simply click on this one and just simply click on add drive, and from there just simply select your drive and you'll be able to add it on the Steam. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.